This is not your average breakfast. I'm gonna make you a beautiful mushroom brekkie bowl full of yummy things like poached eggs, mushrooms, a bit of a hummus dressing, and to top it off, this lovely crunchy paleo granola. So onto poaching an egg, I've got some boiling water here. I'll add some white vinegar and fresh eggs for this. I'm just going to crack my egg into a small bowl. This just makes poaching much easier. And what I like to do is grab a spoon and give the water a bit of a swirl so we've got a bit of a whirlpool, and then in with our egg. And by doing that, you'll see all of that egg white surround the egg yolk to form that perfect poached egg. That won't take long at all. In the meantime, let's make a very quick dressing to go with this. The base of my dressing is some hummus. You'll need about a tablespoon. To that, I'll add some lemon juice of half of this lemon. They're quite juicy. We'll squeeze that in. And then I like to bring this all together with a hint of macadamia oil. So a drizzle of macadamia oil and a pinch of salt. Okay, that's good to go. For the base of my breakfast bowl, some spinach, some tomatoes, all those good healthy vegetables, and some mushrooms, some gorgeous little button mushrooms. I've just fried them off and I'm just going to place them on top. They've cooled down slightly. I don't mind if they wilt the spinach a little bit. Nice few. Now let's get back to the egg. I like mine to be slightly runny in the center. That's looking good. And just drain it on some paper towel, just like that. And we'll just place the egg on top of the mushrooms, and you can add 2 eggs depending on how hungry you are. We're going to dress this with our lovely zingy hummus dressing over the top. Make sure you're quite generous with it so it dresses all those leaves too. And to bring this all together, I'm going to add my granola. Now, a traditional granola would have lots of grains in it, but because this is a paleo granola, it has no grains in it, but it's full of lovely things like nuts and seeds, macadamias, coconut, flaxseed, all the good things with a hint of cinnamon. And it works really well in a sweet dish, but it also works well in a savory dish, just like this mushroom brekkie bowl.